I'm on my way from home, from school. Man, it's hard out here. But it's cool though. Going to school for Network System Administration. At ITT Tech. Woo! Trying to pretty much make a better life for myself and my two kids. My son and my daughter. Nothing else really going on. I heard that if you make a video, people seem to follow you a lot better. Man, I'm just, I've been in like a bad mood. You know, just the fact that my kids, they're 12 hours away from me. I didn't get a chance to see him at all last year. I'm trying to get to see him this year. It's pretty much what I'm focused on. My son asks me all the time, like, Daddy, when you come to see us? Daddy, when you gonna pick us up? You know, when you finish graduating from school, can we live with you? You know, he's 9, so I understand pretty much. What's crazy is the whole time he's 9. Now I say out of his 9 years, out of his 9 years, I can't say that I've really been in his life like I would like to. But it's cool though. At least when I go to visit them, they give me nothing but I get much love from both of them. I don't have any animosity. They don't have any animosity toward me. You know, they're not disrespectful. It's like when I show up, you know, I've always lived with them, so I appreciate that. I don't know what else to elaborate on other than just trying to stay positive, just trying to stay motivated. You know, keep your head up. Just wishing for the best. Especially since I love to take a vacation. Matter of fact, I tell myself all the time, I would love to be deployed. I mean, there's one part that I miss about being in the Navy, really. That every 6 to 9 months, I was seeing something different. I was going someplace different. I've been out since 2003. Me and Uncle Sam had a policy where I could just go and be deployed, come back home. I love that. You know, find myself being a prior vet. The Navy isn't taking any prior vets right now, but that's cool. You know, it's there's part of me that says that I shouldn't have got out, and there's another part of me that says, man, there's folks that have done that 20 years, and they struggling just like I'm struggling as far as trying to find a decent job that's gonna pay them, just like Uncle Sam was paying them. While they was in the United States, but outside the United States. I mean, a lot of people, especially miss their tax-free money they was getting from the government. I know I miss it, especially from Italy. That was nice. But, you know, it is what it is. I made the decision to get out. It just wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I went in just for a secondary education, and thought I was gonna come out with some type of college or something. Just didn't work out that way. Being a postal clerk, I worked crazy hours. We was undermanned in our field, so you know we stayed busy. We was always doing something. So, what's the positive place. Positive thing is now that I'm out trying to find a job, trying to begin my career. I was a network system administrator, entry-level position or internship. A lot of opportunities. Matter of fact, I know one dude who retired from Italy. No, I'm sorry. He was in the Navy, got out the Navy. Then, because he was IT, went back to Italy and was working for the same place that he was working for when he was active duty service member. I mean, that's cool. I mean, I'd love to have an opportunity like that. Yeah, please send me outside the United States for a couple of, I'll say a year. I think I could do a year before I get homesick again. Then I sit around 6 or 9 months, then I'll be ready to be deployed again. So I'm on my way home, finish up my homework, post this to my little website, and just go from there. So, ain't nothing else going on. I'm gonna say is sign off and being too road. It's a little crazy. I'm gonna sign off, and until next time, later.